Okay, so good morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'd just like to welcome you to this retail industry forum where what we're going to talk about today are having four startups talking to you about what they do and what problems that they solve for retailing, and of course, where they can align or support with Oracle's broader portfolio. And so my name is Chris Wiper, for those of you who don't know me. And as well as being today's slide master, I also own and run the retail industry forum. Just before we get started, though, just a couple of points. So as I mentioned, we are recording this session so you can play back and review any content. Each of the startups will have about 10 minutes or so. So you'll only really get a short overview in this hour session. And really the aim of today is to increase your awareness of what these organizations do that use our cloud and where they can help add value across our existing product portfolio, helping to open up different lines of conversation to see Oracle in a different light. Great. Thank you, Susanna. Michael, if I can then come to you, please.
Hi, everyone. Michael's here. I'm the co-founder and CEO of e-shoptimizer. We do price optimization and benchmarking. Next. As you all know, we are seeing an increased competition and intensified competition due to the development of e-commerce. We see activity in terms of campaigns driving a growth on Black Friday of 500%, according to McKinsey. And we see consumers increasingly are looking for discounts, one-off promotions, and generally are highly price sensitive when they look to buy. So here we help retailers. Next. Providing them three different products. First of all, we provide them the opportunity to crawl competitive websites for their pricing and provide them a visual performance dashboard telling them what is their deviation on price, which of their products are cheaper, which of their products are more expensive, and we allow them immediately to take action. We not only provide them the benchmarking, we also tell the retailer to which degree this product is available with the competition, so that we are not discounting our prices for products that are not on the shelf on the competitors. Now, counter to many other options in the market, we also have developed a product range development option, which basically aims to drive must-haves, so identify key products on competitive websites and help us understand where we can build exclusivity in the market. Next. In terms of customers, we help a wide range of companies. Some companies are moving from being a wholesaler to a retailer, and after deploying our solution, immediately saw an 80% uplift just by correcting their prices and matching their closest competitors in the market. Other retailers are niche retailers working in the premium segments of pianos, for instance, digital piano being one, who is monitoring the market leaders in order to understand where they can compete, whether that being on price, on stockouts, or on selected product colors. Next. So who do we aim to work with? You know, like Al Pacino in Any Given Sunday, we are really looking for retailers who want to drive innovation, who think data-driven, who has a substantial range of products which does not allow them on an individual level to check each of their products and see how do they match competition, but who really needs intelligence in order to drive their pricing. We also consider retailers who are aiming to grow and scale high on the agenda, So typically, we will engage with directors, head of managers, and merchandising, product development, and buying directors or marketing who are ready to spend their budget on being on the forefront of the next e-commerce era. Next. So today, what we do is straightforward in terms of we are benchmarking and crawling competitive websites. What is coming up in the second half of 2019 is that we will engage in Google Analytics, and we will start looking at how do our inventory convert on our websites. Meaning, if we have 100 items on stock, and we, through our analytics, can see that this product is not converting, we will provide an algorithm that will find the right price for that given product, where it starts converting, and where it will sell out at the right time for us to be out of stock towards the end of the season. Another thing that we will be looking into is go through the same journey as Matty, that Susanna just explained, and explore how can we integrate directly to the Oracle Commerce Cloud. And therefore, we are looking for a retailer who really wants to innovate and want to be on the forefront, not only with e-shoptimizer, but also with Oracle. In 2020, we are aiming to advance the solution to not only drive pricing, but to provide better and more artificial buying and range planning for retailers in order to compete against the big platforms and manage the trend where we see a decline in traffic to brand sites and increased need to engage with platforms like Amazon and Zalando in fashion, for instance, who have objectives of reaching 40 to 50% of their revenue through brands engaging to their platforms. Next. So e-shoptimizer is algorithm-driven pricing and range optimization. You can reach me either per email or LinkedIn. I am happy to engage with you in any type of pricing problem you may encounter, whether that is in how to manage your stock outs or how to manage your long range. We are there. We are flexible. We are agile. We are fast. And we are pleased to have this opportunity to work with Oracle. Thank you to Lars. Thank you to Chris. And please, as I said, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Michael. Just a reminder, if you have any questions, then chat is open. If you want to raise points on there, we probably will have time actually in today's session to cover off any questions that you've got. I haven't seen any raised so far, so just a reminder that if you do have any, then please put them on there, and then we'll pick them up after.